Let's learn the correct way to pronounce words with the oi sound. Now, a number of times we teach children that these two letters say the sound oi. However, we tend to mispronounce words with the oi sound. Let's look at some words with the oi digraph that are mostly mispronounced. We have royal, loyal, voyage, oyster, destroy, boy, sawyer, buoyant, flamboyant, coyote. Now, one thing I've noticed is these words have the oi sound and are mostly mispronounced as saying oi. Please note that in these words, you are to say the oi sound, not o. I hope you've learned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.